Hey folks, Some Trading here, and I thought it's been quite a while since we looked at Diagnostics, the testing and diagnostics company. So I tweeted out about it this week, about this area just here where we had a bullish engulfing pair, and I did know that we shouldn't get too excited, as back here we also had a engulfing pattern which basically went absolutely nowhere, just drifted down afterwards. And in fact we had one just around here as well, and you can see there was quite a large inside trading day after it, and it just went straight down. What do I think is going to happen next? Well, if I had to place a bet on it, I would suggest there'll probably be a bit more weakness, and I would draw the line in the sand underneath this sort of area, the bottom of this trend line. I do have a little bit of hope that this sort of blue trend line that I've got along here may provide enough support to send us back up, but I'm not super hopeful the way that these individual candlesticks are actually line up at the moment. Now, if we shoot out a little bit, and I can stop drawing everywhere, then you will notice that this uptrend channel, actually, if we were to bounce off here or to come down and up again, then we are looking at the top of the trend channel, up at sort of at that 170, 180 sort of level at the moment. A lot of resistance around this 110 level though, so I think that is the first challenge to get through there if we do get a bit of upwards momentum going. And you can see every time we've actually broken this 110 level, it's sold off straight back under again. Here and here, this one was a massive sell-off. Look at that. Actually finished today 4.3% down. So let's look at where these channels actually start. I'll just zoom out a little bit, and I've got the channel starting all the way back in April 2020, just with this little bit of support there, support here, and support there. And the top of the channel is a little bit more arbitrary. I've actually got the 1 point, so an actual resistance. So you could actually draw the top 10 channel, the top off the trend line somewhere else. I don't know, maybe it doesn't work very well like that. Maybe you might even sort of pick it out on a different level, sort of around there, and have like a larger sort of spike out over the top. Larger spike out over the top there. But I think where I've got the green lines now is my sort of favoured position. So that's what I'm going with at the moment, and that would represent a sort of target level of around the 170 area. The blue line that we've got there, I actually can show you how that was picked out. Yeah, that blue line was actually picked out from the line chart, and just with the actual closing prices here and here. So we are very close to it at the moment, but we have to wait and see whether that proves to offer greater support than this whole area down here. So yeah, I actually don't see that much more downside for this company. As I say, the line in the sand for me really is this sort of low 50s level. If we don't see a bounce from here, I suspect we're going to find support reasonably soon, and then I do expect a bounce. And I mean, this stock I think could actually move quite quickly on some hard numbers coming out, because at the moment it's a lot of speculation. We know they have a test, we know they've been employing new people, we know they have new facilities. They did a fundraise last year, got off 11 million. And that you know, if they've been investing that money wisely in expanding their production, and their production was supposed to be up to 2 million tests a week by the end of April, but we still haven't received any update on that. I think hard numbers coming out on this, you could see a significant rise in this. Obviously first challenge 110, but clear blue skies above that, and I could see us definitely getting up to this 170, 180 level pretty rapid. So going to keep an eye on this one. As I say, next couple of weeks I'm expecting more downside, but I wouldn't be surprised to see a quick reversal once some news comes out. So as always, hope you got something out of the video. Don't forget to smash the like button if you did, and we'll be keeping an eye on this stock, and I will start trying to do some videos on other stocks I hold, so keep a lookout for those. Don't forget to subscribe and get me reminded on when I actually do upload a video. So catch you in the next video.